Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. Just kidding, it's a little early for Christmas to say that, but we are in September. But anyway, I feel like Christmas, you guys, because look at what we have here. I'm in Michael's store. To the back of me has Halloween back here, and the front of me has Christmas, and I am so here for both. So I'm gonna take you through this little vignette here, this little village here, Christmas village. It is so cool, you guys. It's beautiful, and so much detail. So just like I showed the Halloween village, I want to take you guys through this and show you this. This is fantastic. This is so fantastic. I mean, it goes on and on and on around the whole village. So the thing needs to be lit up though. That's the only thing. But this is kind of like I'll come back when it's all lit up too and show you. But I do want to show you, you know, what they have now in case you're looking for these and wanting to order them online and that type of thing. Okay, so without further ado, let's go shopping and have let's go to the North Pole, you guys. Yeah, we're gonna go to the North Pole. Okay. Okay, so let's start on this end at Santa's Reindeer Stables. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I do think, like I said, I do think these light up, you know, I really do. Yeah, there's like a light up there. So they're just not connected yet, but I do want to show you in case, like I mentioned, you want to order you know, order these ahead of time. So this is $109. It's called Reindeer Stables. Yeah, so Christmas Eve, the clock right there is right there, and then there's like a lot of detail. Like the more I look at it, there's gonna be lights over the reindeer, and then over here there's like a wheelbarrow and some hay for the reindeer. And then the snow-capped rooftops, there's even, it looks like it's supposed to be like Christmas lights up there. And then, yeah, just very, very stickly design. I love that. I mentioned that in another video, the stickly architecture. So, yeah, and then here we have the Santa's helpers with the reindeer. Okay, so again, 109, and I want to turn it around to see the back of it, but I also don't want to pick it up because it's pretty fragile. But here we have all the boxes down here, by the way, friends. They're all down here, so everything is here. And I don't know if these are online yet, but I imagine they would be if they're not very soon. So the toy making school, oh my gosh, you guys, a toy making school. Today's classes, let's see, pull trains, games, and electric toys. So they're going to learn how to make those. And there we have the Nutcracker, the toy soldier. And then in here, there's the class, you guys. There's a little class going on. So again, I'm imagining that would light up, you know, when this is, sorry, it's out of focus. That will light up when it's all, you know, connected here. And here's the side of it with the little two-story balcony there and the cobblestone. And then up here we have the Nutcracker, and then the gingerbread. Oh, that's the next house over. The Santa's Sweet Shack. Is that what it says? Sweet Shack back there. Okay. So, and then there is a bell on top of the toy making school. This one's $99.99, by the way. $99. And I love the double doors with the wreath. The thing with these, there's so much detail. There really is. And again, you see all these lights? They're all going to light up. They're all going to light up when this is the flag up here at the top, the turret, roof line. Yeah, so cool, guys. Okay, then let's see if I can reach the camera back there. This is the Sweet Shack, and here we have this, and we have the little side with the gingerbread man, the little bench there, and let's see. Over here, the toy making school is kind of in the way. I can't get to it, but I'm trying to show you as best I can. There we go. I like the roof line. This is, I learned about, because I have an interior design degree, this is really interesting. I'm sure everybody knows this already, but in case you don't know, these type of rooftops, these sloped, super like V-like line rooftops, so that when it snows, it doesn't weigh on it slides off. So like, let's say there's a snowstorm, and this is what you do see. This is an older design, but really I've seen these in architecture in real life. So if a snow is happening, it won't sit on the roof like this and collect and make the roof fall in heavy. It actually just like slides right off. So I just wanted, that's just like a fun memory I have learning in design school, and I think it's so cool to see it here in architecture here with these Santa villages. Okay, enough of my history lesson there, but I love history, you guys. I do love architecture, history, design, all that. But this carousel is so cute. Winter holiday carousel. And again, oh, I want to see this lit up and like moving around. I think it's gonna be so pretty turning, and you can see all the horses. Yeah, see, it's gonna turn. There's a little thing, and there's a little, it's just not all connected yet. So I don't see the price on this one yet. I'll look down below, see if I can see the box. Let's see, do I see a box yet? There's all the other, there's that roofline one, I forget the name of that one, but anyway, over here we have Christmas Grove skating rink. Oh, that is so cute. This is going to be so cool moving around. Look at, you can actually move, they're going to move around on the snow. Here we go. And then up here on stage there's Santa. It says Season's Greetings. There's like a little band playing. There we go. Christmas Grove skating rink, and then the trees are flocked, and then there's just like so much happening in this scene. It's so cute. That is so adorable. All right, Santa Claus and Paws, $34.99. So this here would be $34.99. Let me go ahead and get in as close as I can here with my camera. But yeah, Santa Claus and Paws. This guy has a doggy bone, and then the sleigh. I'm not sure if that is included because some of these are separate pieces, but the Santa Claus and Paws is $34.99. Number 16, number 15, the Forever Toy Store. Oh, how cute is that? The top here, that's so cute. The little bones, little doggy bones, the Forever Toy Store. There's the kitty, it says toys. The dog, the door has a toys. Holiday special free treat with toy purchase. Here's some cat food and dog food in the front, bags there. And then this lady with her puppy. The puppy's looking inside, he wants a toy. Look at that, you can see toys in the window. That is so cute. Here's the side of it. That's darling. Okay, the next one is Miss Maggie's Muffin Shop, number 14. So here we go. Oh, look at, they have this free take one. This is going to be your guide to what they have here. Look at this, you guys. This is so cool. So here we go. The Sweet Shack. And then limited buildings. Oh, lighted buildings. Sorry, I thought I said limited. Specialty pieces. And then like they have the carousel right there, and it says what it does. It rotates, it has music, it lights up. Okay, so they have all these little parts to it to make a whole like scene. That's cool. They have this here, like a little legend, so you can kind of see what they all offer for this collection 2022. But anyway, Miss Maggie's Muffin Shop, $74.99. And there's a little muffin on the top of the doorway. I like the garland and the wreath. The snow just fell on it. And in here is the little bakery. Look at how cute that is. Little muffins for sale. There's a little curtain, and there's a little light. Now this one, I don't know if this, I would think this would light up. I think they all light up, but I'm trying to figure out where it would light up. Maybe on the inside of the window, maybe inside. But yeah, the blue door, I love that red and white canopy over the door and window. Here we go, here's a side view. Okay, so moving over here, you'll see they have all these little, they haven't even priced them on the tags yet, but the prices are here. It's like $6.99 for this sled parking only. There is, this one here is $8.99. Okay, so, but over here, look at this one, Christmas Cheer Bottling Company. So yeah, this one is really adorable too. We've got the little bottles rotating around in the factory there. Bottling the best since 1902. Look at the champagne glasses at the top. Now this one should light up. There's some little lights there, some can lighting. The little bottle opener up top for the, the roof there. Christmas Cheer Bottle Company. There's a lot happening in this scene. It's really fun. Really fun. Okay, here's a side view of it. And I think it's going to be even more magical once it's lit up. But again, I wanted to show you a preview of it before it's lit up. Okay, so let's look over here now. They have this one right here. This one's Christmas Spirits Cafe. This one is $29.99. And we have this one. So there's wreath, garlands, the specials of the day. Get into the Christmas spirit, hot buttered rum, mulled wine. Cheers, it says, like a little chalkboard sign. And these two people are cheering, making a toast there. So cute. And then over here, the Gables Apartment, number 11. This one is so pretty. Oh, I love this. With the trees on the top of the second story window. The very top, it's very detailed of the roof line here. The trees, the canopy, the window boxes. Clark's dry cleaning on the other side. Oh, cute. And then what's on this side? It's hard to see because I have all the stuff in front of me. But here's the other side of this one. Very cute. I like the how it like curves. It's like a curvature building. Apartments, newly for rent, renovated. How cute is that? That is so cute. All right, then we have, again, that's 69. That's number 11, $69.99. Old Time Fudge Shop, $69.99. Number 10. This one is so cute. And that's where I would visit, the fudge shop. That looks so fun, you guys. There's sugar bags back there. There's milk, chocolate chips, and the canopy's over the second window again. I'm trying to see where this one would light up. I don't see where this one would light up. I feel like there's something supposed to be right there to light up. All right, there's this one here. This one is the Yorkshire Pub and Restaurant, number $49.99. The Yorkshire Pub and Restaurant, or sorry, $49.99, number 9 in the series here. And there's two people dining in the front window. And then here is the side. And then these people are selling cookies or doing cookie decoration. I don't see the price on this one, but there's these pieces you can add on. And this one's really cute. 'Tis the Season skate rentals. Aww. And now let's see where this one would light up. I'm not sure either. We have your size, it says. Skate rentals, $5 per hour. Group rates available. Ice rink on the other side. Lockers and sandals, or lockers and snacks. And then fun for the whole family. Cute little banner there. Okay, then up here, there's like different levels here. There's the Elf Lane, $49.99. So this one's, I think, $49.99. This is really cute as well. Oh, see this one? Yeah, this one plugs in and does something. I just don't know what it does. As far as does it make sound or just lights? I like the crooked chimney. And then this one right here is $69.99. And it's, oh, sorry, this one I think is, so, oh, wait, maybe these are together. $49.99. I'm not sure if those are sold together. But this one's really cute with the like belt buckle. Little part of the building and the jingle bell at the top. Now this one's really cute, $69.99, and this one's called the Bean Happy Coffee Shop, $69.99. And here we have that with the flocked Christmas trees. And let's see what else is going on in here. And then up here is the Hickory Summit Ski Resort, $74.99. That looks gorgeous. The log cabin. Oh my gosh, let me go in closer. You guys look at that in the window. It says welcome over the front door. I love it. There's two entrances. That is so pretty. The double, how do I say it? Roof line is so pretty with the two, actually several roof lines. It's so pretty, so grandiose, you know? So anyways, you guys, that's an overview of the whole Christmas village right now, what they have set up. It's pretty exciting to see. And here's some more boxes down here. Like I said, there is some that are not even up yet. Like this one right here is $219. It's the freeze zone. It says the drop below freezing. They even have, here's the carousel one. It's $64.99 for that box, or not the box, but for the carousel. And so, okay, so $39.99 for this. This one's not even up yet. $29.99. I showed that one. So, all right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough here of the LEMAX Christmas houses villages. It's so adorable, you guys. It's so much fun, and I'm really excited about it. So thank you again so much for being here, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, a huge thank you so much for being here. With that being said, have a great day, friends, and I will definitely come back when these are all lit up too, okay? So have a great day, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. God bless always. I'll talk to you soon. Happy shopping.